In this video, I will measure the launch time.
We have the time.
Today, I would like to do an initial comparison between Clo 3D and Style 3D to understand which one has a faster opening time. Why am I interested? Because a faster opening time means more fluidity in the workflow and could indicate how optimized the software is for the tasks it needs to perform. This comparison is what is called an open time test. To do this, I will use the same computer just restarted and without any other software open. I will measure the time from when I double-click on the software icon until the interface is fully ready for use. I will repeat the test 3 times and calculate the average. Let's get straight to the test.
Round 1. Round 2. Final round. Winner is Style 3D.
It is obvious that Style 3D was much faster. Here you can see the results. Obviously, the startup speed test isn't everything, but it's a first impression that's very important. And when working with this software all day, it saves seconds in the workflow. If you're interested in this kind of comparison, write it in the comments. I'm preparing other tests.
If you think I manipulated the video or did some editing, at the end I'll leave you the original footage so you can see with your own eyes what happened during the test. See you in the next video.
I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna